Hello and welcome to Rally Race Guys. Today on this episode we will be moving Ryan's car and preparing it to be sold, and to do this we have to move parts. So because we haven't got anything on there, and the first thing we did was move the steering wheel, and we can't go anywhere without steering wheel, and to push it the distances that we need, because we need to actually push it out of the unit, out through the door, and then we've got to move this stuff around so we can get this out and then put this in virtually the same place where Ryan's car is sat right now, and then put that back here once it's completely finished. And then tomorrow we're going to do a show, which it's the one a couple of weeks ago that we filmed. We're going back to that show because there's one every Thursday of, I think it's the second Thursday of the month or something, and Ryan's going to stick a for sale sign up in his Fiesta, and we will hopefully sell it sometime soon. But this is the first step of selling the Fiesta and getting a new project car for him. Also, you won't have probably seen before this video comes out, we have now come back from the Isle of Man, and you'll see that video probably next week, or there will be a series of videos because of the length of the stages, and I can't really do a more than 20-minute video because people just get bored and it's not going to be enjoyable. So I'm going to split it up into the first day, getting there and stuff, do the first 3 stages, second 3, first 4, second 4, but as you'll find out when we are when you do see that video, we didn't complete all the stages, but that was out of our hands, but we did complete the rally, but that's all I'm going to say. If you want any information regarding that, go and check out our Facebook and our other social media for updates, and you'll be able to see everything there. But we will be coming up with a video of us driving on the stages, but that'll be more likely next week because I currently don't have the footage. I've been sending it down to me. But anyway, let's get this steering wheel on, and then we will have to move this place around so we can get Pat out, because my dad has kindly put some building materials in the way, so I need to shift some of them, which apparently they are quite heavy, but I might need Ryan's help with one of them just because it's just so high, and then get this pushed out, and then we'll be going from there. But yeah, so let's pop this on. Okay, so I've just been literally sorting this place out as that last clip showed you. I've just been trying to move everything around so we can move all that building material today yeah, that's all Celotex in my dad's new house. So there's quite a lot of sheets there. And we're just gonna have to move around it and move it around, because each 4-pack weighs about 33 kilograms, so it's quite heavy and it's quite large. So I need Ryan or somebody to help me. I have got one on end over there, but that's as much as I could move it without damaging it. And obviously it's not mine, so I don't want to damage it. Top tip: if you go to IKEA and you've got a workshop and stuff, get these. These are little trays that normally would cost you £4 or £5 a piece. £1.50. £1.50 for a big one as well. I'm guessing the smaller ones are £1 and the bigger ones are a bit more. But yeah, I was literally just strolling around IKEA, and that's where I'm getting most of the building materials for when I redo this room, when I redo the paint room. And I'll be getting a lot more on these. This one I chose for like the washing implements and like sponges and stuff like that, and washing up a little bit. So because we are going to put a sink in it. But yeah, so yeah, I can't fault it. Like that's pretty sturdy. I can bend it a little bit, but that's perfect for what we need. I know it's cream or white, but it doesn't bother me. Well, it's gonna get mucky anyway. It's in a workshop environment. But yeah, top tip. Okay, so for the last 45 minutes, hour, I've been tidying, a little bit off camera. I'll show you what I've done. Sorry about the noise. So I've cleared all this area here because there used to be the trolley and other stuff. This stuff doesn't need to move because we won't be going to there. I've tidied up the kitchen area, so this car's ready to move, or Pat is. It's got the steering wheel on now because you just saw me do that. So all of the stuff that was here is now through there, just over there. Well, I don't think we may move these 3 packs of Celotex. This one will definitely have to be moved. We may just have to move them back, and we should be able to get it through that gap, but we will see. I've taken out these windows because they've just fallen out. I think people have been prodding them and stuff like that. And with the wind now, they'll just blow straight through, so it's no use. I have swept all this so all the debris doesn't go everywhere, and I've hoovered it. Yeah, now we're just waiting on Ryan to get here to start his car, help me move the Celotex, open the door, get my car out, because I can do it on my own, but it's just safer with 2 people, one person steering and pushing, and then one pushing as well, and directing. But yeah, we will get right onto that once Ryan turns up, which should be any minute now. And yeah, we'll be back in a minute.
She gets out of control, and all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession, got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin.
So, today's video was, today was pretty successful. As you can see in the background, Ryan's car's at the front and mine's at the back. I hope you enjoyed the clips of Ryan's car. He was just cleaning it and getting it ready for sale and the show tomorrow, because he is putting a for sale sign in it for the show. And all the links for the listing, if you do want it, are in the description. If you want any more information, just email us or comment, and we will try and get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll get the information off Ryan for you, or Ryan can, or you can DM us on our Instagram page, or DM us on our Facebook page, and we'll get back to you straight away. And but yeah, so his car is looking very shiny now. So as you saw, he was just polishing it for quick wash or dry wash or something. But yeah, it's looking very nice. Now my car's there. It's got some blocks underneath it just in case it does roll back. But yeah. So yeah. Well, thank you for watching today's episode, and hopefully next week we'll have the rallying videos out. We'll probably have a couple of days of consecutive uploads, because it's not fair on you to watch them all, and we just don't have the time as well. But yeah, like and subscribe, hit the bell after you subscribe, because if you like the videos, and we do appreciate the support and all the comments that you do give us, or the comments you do give us, and the DMs that we do get through Instagram of saying how we're getting on with the car and stuff like that. But yeah, but thank you for watching, and like and subscribe and follow our social media, and see you in the next one.